Today is a manifest video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a super special day. It's January 1st, 2025. Happy New Year! And I've got some incredible news to share with you guys. I'm finally monetized on YouTube. Yay! It's been almost 6 months since I uploaded my first video, and last week I applied for the YouTube Partner Program after hitting 1,000 subscribers on day 168. I'm beyond excited, and today I want to share with you guys exactly how I got from zero to monetization in just 6 months. I know some very talented YouTubers who can monetize in 3 months or even 3 weeks, but every journey is unique, right? And I'm super proud of myself. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about where I started, completely from scratch. And I mean zero experience. In 2024, I moved to Canada from China, and for those who don't know, YouTube isn't accessible in China, along with Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms. So even though I always knew that YouTube was a great platform, but still, before July 2024, I hadn't even used YouTube. I came to Canada in March, and by July, I was brave enough to sign up for my account and upload my first video. But here's the thing. English was my second language, and before I came here, I hadn't speak English for like 20 years, so I couldn't even understand basic buttons on the upload page. So I studied the meaning of each rule while learning English. Yep, completely from scratch. So if you are feeling like a beginner, don't be too hard on yourself or get down on yourself. I was right there too. In the face of all those obstacles, I still made small progress. I could say I didn't just get lucky. I did a few key things that helped me grow. I'm going to break them down for you. The first one is learning from the best. My first step was learning. I spent a solid week binge watching videos on how to grow a YouTube channel. Shout it out to 2 creators who changed the game for me, Vanessa and Catherine. Oh my god, I just love them. Their YouTube tutorials taught me like everything, from strategy and mindset to editing tips. Even now, I still watch their content for inspiration and ideas. Of course, there were plenty of other awesome YouTubers to learn from, and I would say the first thing to do when you know nothing is to learn. Number 2 is consistency and optimization. When you watch enough videos of YouTube gurus, you will find a lot of common ground in their techniques, such as consistency. If you are not posting regularly on YouTube, you are missing out. But it's not just about uploading videos. It's about improving with each one. For example, my early videos were just me talking to the camera. Honestly, they were pretty boring. The average view duration wasn't great, and we all know that the view time is key on YouTube. YouTube makes more money if your viewers spend more time on your channel. So if you can't hold your audience attention, your channel won't grow. So by realizing this, I started adding B-rolls, different shots, and piecing my videos better. Remember, you need at least one element, whether it's visuals, pacing, or content, to keep viewers hooked. Number 3 is choosing your niche or not. Well, here's where I took a bit of detour. Should you niche down? It's a hot topic in the YouTube world. On one hand, having a niche can help you get more subscribers faster. But on the other hand, it can also limit you. Chances are there will come to a time when you get so bored with the videos you make that you lose motivations to create them. On the other hand, like if you don't niche down and you show more about your life, your values, etc., there's a high probability that it will take you longer to reach your audience. But once people like your channel, which means they like you as a person, then whatever you post is part of your channel because this is who you really are. So it's really a question of balance. Personally, I started with a niche, language learning. I mean, I love learning languages and thought, well, it would be a great focus, right? But over time, I just realized I didn't want to be just a language learning tool. I wanted my channel to reflect my personalities and interests beyond that. So I started sharing more about my life, my experiences, my values, and of course my struggles. The feedback was amazing. The YouTube community is so supportive, and I received so many heartful moments that kept me going. There was a turning point for my channel. It happened after I posted a video reflecting on my life as I turned 38. I wasn't expecting much, but that video went viral. It got over 100k views, and I hit 900 subscribers almost overnight. After that, I shifted my content to focus more on self-improvement, and it wasn't just about following the numbers. It feels right. I was speaking from the heart, and the response was incredible. So another big lesson here is follow what feels authentic to you, but also pay attention to what your audience is responding to. And now let's talk about the mental side of things, because honestly, that's half the battle. The first one is dealing with 0 views. I could say it's those early days of 0 views or less than 100 views. If you're just starting out, you will definitely face this situation. It took me almost like 2 months before I saw real progress. Like, YouTube gives you a bit boost on your first video or 2, but after that, it's up to you. It's so disheartening to spend hours creating a video only for it to get no more than 20 views. But here's the key. Ignore the views. Keep uploading, keep optimizing, and keep improving. Like, YouTube is all about the long game. Unlike Instagrams or TikTok, where videos peak and die quickly, YouTube videos have a long shelf life. A great video today could still be relevant and even recommended years from now. Number 2 is managing expectations. Another lesson I learned: adjust your expectations. Well, building a successful YouTube channel is harder than I ever imagined. When I started, I knew it could be very challenging, but even then, it exceeded my expectations. So don't expect quick success. Many of the biggest YouTubers today started 5 years, 7 years, or even 10 years ago. They've walked a long road. As a small creator, it's better to have a 5-year or even a 10-year plan. I mean, if you are serious about the YouTube channel, right? So focus on loving the process. I mean, if you enjoy making videos and sharing, the result will take care of itself and the success will follow naturally. Number 3 is making money on YouTube isn't everything. I will be honest, in the beginning, my main goal was to make money on YouTube. I do run YouTube like a business. So as a career, making money is definitely the first priority, right? But along the way, my mindset just shifted. Now I'm more focused on giving values first. If just one person finds value in my videos, whether it's a helpful tip, an inspiring message, or just a smile, it's all worth it. Like, monetization is just the start of something bigger. Providing value to others can lead to more long-term value. Finally, I want to touch on choosing the right platform. Yes, each platform has its own rules, and not all of them will fit your style. You have to figure out what works best for you. Like for me, I'm not someone who's glued to their phone. I like reading books, going outside for walks, and having real in-person conversations. I'm not constantly checking my phone for notifications. So platforms like Instagram or TikTok, which are more about fast, real-time interaction, are just not really my thing. But YouTube, with its focus on long-term content, is perfect for me. I want my videos to provide lasting value, and YouTube is the best place for that. On the other hand, I have a friend who is amazing at engaging on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. She's so quick to respond to messages, upload content in real time, and stay connected 24/7. If that's your strength, then maybe a faster-paced platform would suit you better. The point is, you need to find a platform that matches your personality and workflow, right? When you do, it will feel like a nature fit. Well, 2024 was a year of transformation for me. I restarted my life, learned to be independent, and brought my vision to life on YouTube. Well, I hope 2025 is going to be even bigger, and I can't wait to share more valuable content with you. Thanks so much for being part of this journey, and see you next week. Bye!